This demo is to show how to encrypt the test data. First, let's log in to the ACRA Cloud account. Once after logging in, navigate to the Automation Assets page. Now let's see how to encrypt the test data. Expanding the test sets and test case, clicking on the test step. These are the test data that are used to perform the login action. Similarly, every test step will have their own test data to perform the mentioned action. In the login step, to encrypt the username, we need to check the corresponding encrypt checkbox. Once the encrypt checkbox is checked, it will show only the encrypted value and not the original value. Now let's see how it works by running this test case. So let me add a new automation execution by clicking on the Add Automation Execution button, entering the execution name, choosing the product name, entering the product version, choosing the product URL, and selecting the automation set and clicking on Create button. Once after creating a new automation execution, navigate to the automation execution page and see that the newly created execution is listed here. The next step is to turn on the engine. I have already turned on the engine which is in my local machine. So let's click on Run Test icon of the corresponding execution, entering the iteration name, choosing the browser, and selecting the automation set and clicking on Run button. The engine has triggered the execution. Once the execution is over, the appropriate results will be shown in the engine GUI. Now let's navigate to the execution area of the corresponding execution, expanding the iteration and the test sets, expanding the test case as well. Clicking on the login test step. If you see here in the execution area, it shows only the encrypted value for username and it doesn't show the original value. Once after each execution, reports will be generated in both PDF and Excel formats. Now let's open a report in PDF format and see how it looks like. If you see, for username, it shows only the encrypted value and not the original value. Similarly, let's open the Excel report as well. Here in the Excel template as also, it shows only the encrypted value for username. Thank you.